Sourceability has the best-in-class market intelligence data for electronic components. As a global distributor that buys and sells electronic components, we have direct access to current pricing, availability, inventory, and demand. Our collected data history goes back over 8 years, allowing us to perform deep analysis of that historical data to identify various market trends and their possible impact on the future electronic component supply chain landscape. Our data comes from direct feeds from our manufacturers, other distributors, and their offers, as well as published component data. Our data team then curates this data to ensure Sourceability provides the most up-to-date and accurate data possible. This data supports our various applications, so we are always working on new ways to continue improving its quality.